Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload files on your Google Drive and also share those files with someone else. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your Chrome browser. If you already linked your Gmail account with your Chrome browser, all you have to do is simply type drive, Google Drive. Yeah, you can see that. Click that, and this is your Google Drive. So to upload something, I'm going to create a new folder. You can upload anything here, so that I'm creating a new folder so that I can share those files with someone else. So I'm going to select plus here and select new folder here, and I'm going to just name it file. You can name anything you want and just click create, and after that you can see the file folder is created. I'm going to tap it to open. So I can drop files here simply by drag and drop any file here. So to do that, like if I want to drag it here and drop it, it will starting to upload. As you can see, the file is already uploaded. I can do another thing and select new and select file upload here, and if I want to like upload this one, I can simply double click it and it will start to upload the same file onto your drive. To share the file link, simply click this one, right click this one, and select the option share and click it. As here you can see the general access is restricted. If I send this link to someone, they cannot access it, so we need to change it. Just click it and select anyone with the link, and after that copy the link and send it to anyone you want them to access the folder and select done here. So I'm gonna check if it's working, so I'm gonna go new incognito mode and I'm gonna paste it here and select. As you can see right now, I can access it and I can also simply download it from here as well. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.